Kissed by the sun, hugged by the sea. No better place to be than Oxnard, Oxnard. Beauty mixed with a little danger, just north of the city of angels. Oxnard, we fall so far.
When there is unity, when you're really working, you'll shine without the jewelry. Music global, but if we talking local, let me take you to the days of the OG Monte Loco. You can't forget it, you won't regret it. I stay repping for the city, no matter where I'm headed. I don't look back, I got a book bag full of rhymes to work with, rolls from the loop pack. My whip all black, my skin brown. At times I can't believe I live the dream now. Cuando empecé nunca miraba el final. Ahora me siento como locura terminal, manejando en el traffic jam in a promo van, just to show everyone who said I couldn't that I can. Oh no, I got in touch with oh no, and now we locked in for life, and that ain't for no promo.
Kissed by the sun, hugged by the sea. No better place to be than Oxnard, Oxnard.
It's the city I rap.
Beauty mixed with a little danger, just north of the city of angels. Oxnard, we've all come so far.
It's the city I rap. X is for the extra, B is when you're next up. I know that I owe it to my mama cause I'm blessed up. As a kid played in the East Side League, it made me chase these big boy dreams. Put the city on the map like Anderson Paak. Knock them out like Feroz, I bet they know where we at. 805 worldwide, only the strong survive. I can't forget elbows up and
side to side.
Real love like my home, there will be no other. Full of fight and hope like the Garcia brothers. Con mi ciudad no se pueden comparar, y hay fresas todo el año por si quieren trabajar. Que no saben los detalles, I even march the same calles as Cesar Chavez. I fight for what I deserve, I feel like I'm Tony Berg, coming from the city of the O with the bird.
Kissed by the sun, hugged by the sea. No better place to be than Oxnard, Oxnard.
It's the city I rap.
Beauty mixed with a little danger, just north of the city of angels. Oxnard, we've all come so far.
It's the city I rap. Little city by the beach, make you feel like everything I reach. Little city by the beach, make you feel like everything I reach. Little city by the beach, make you feel like everything I reach. Little city by the beach.
Fingers on the track.
my pace, keeping up. Empty cans are sitting on the table, and bones and I with let us in. And he has the cases of beer. We got all of the homies and DJ Dominators near. Southside 805, Central Coast Grid. Deluxe and T-Dre smoking bomb ass shit. Another hit, but now it's kinda easy to do. It's time to get back to the party and those bitches too. Now, you give this one, and I give that one. I get the 5-1, so take on the jack.
Second half of the game, so I got my second win. Went home to shit my coat, got some snaps and I'm out again. And that's all around me, so which one will I choose? I like eyes with one, so now it's time to show and prove. Step to her quick before she gets away from me, and then I come to find out she's got a thing for D. So what's next? Sex, or should we just wait? But she's ready and I wanna put some icing on the cake. But for now, I'm feeling to get my groove on. Take another sip, throw my hands up in the air, side to side, move on. On along to the next track, G. Cause ain't nothing like a West Coast night in the CC.
LAC to the 805.
West Coast, Southside, that's how we ride.
LAC to the 805.
Outlaw California, rapping for life.
LAC to the 805.
Like Tupac is to live and die.
LAC to the 805.
The left coast, we just arrived.
I'm from the Valley, Cali. They call gangsta. SUV 66, California mobsters, shot collar dodgers, Lakers money makers, Raiders, Kings, players and fakers, actors, but ain't no acting over here. Hollywood to the hood, two sides over here. Gotta keep it fresh, like the Pacific. Old school low-lows, hitting the switches, bitches, hoes, strip club full of ballers. You drive Rovers, we drive Impalas. Billy the Kid, Tupac down the shop, Miss Capone with the motherfucking outlaws. Roll call, 805 to the south, Cali lifestyle. Got a bottle for the mouth. Reroute my way down to LA. Stopped at the studio, Cali Ferros all day. LAC to the 805.
West Coast, Southside, that's how we ride.
LAC to the 805.
Outlaw California, rapping for life.
LAC to the 805.
Like Tupac is to live and die.
LAC to the 805.
The left coast, we just arrived.
From the LAC to the LPC, Los Sureños run the streets, 805ers know me. It's my lethal on the creep, all I know is keeping it cheap. Bragging never second, causing damage, you'll see. They recognize it worldwide, Mashika blind. Dodging the one time, you only live one life. Not nine, so you gotta be wise. West Coast killer, Cali, throw it up in the sky.
And you wanna fuck with an S like me, you gotta hold it down tough and be part of the blue team. With magazines that go with the red beams, and Eastsiders ready just to fuck up the whole scene. Enemy from the big east side, Oxnard, Southern Cal, 805. Boy, wanna play, take a trip and cruise, and we'll show you motherfuckers how we all pay dues.
LAC to the 805.
West Coast, Southside, that's how we ride.
LAC to the 805.
Outlaw California, rapping for life.
to the 805.
Like Tupac used to live and die.
LAC to the 805.
The left coast, we just arrived. G's up in the sky, always handling mines. California outlaws, straight from the 805, from the LA streets. Back to the G, me and my cat motherfucker, we be running the streets. Back in the heat, stacking the G's. That's why you see this project boy straight riding clean. G dipping in the caddy, getting high with my boys. G wings from Coletta, straight making noise.
805's #1 guns, outlaws. Fuck my enemies, bitch, suck my balls. Light your block up, only takes one call. Squad so sick, only ride with my dogs. 32 gang, bang bang, Snake Pit, West Side, ain't nothing changed. Prince Chrissy boy, they know the name. Running these streets, 805 to LA.
LAC to the 805.
West Coast, South Side, that's how we ride.
LAC to the 805.
Outlaw California, rapping for life.
LAC to the 805.
Like Tupac used to live and die.
LAC to the 805.
The left coast, we just